back to Cooking with Fat. Today I'm going to make Oreo bread cake without fire and baking. We can make this cake very quickly within 10 minutes. Let's start. First we will prepare for our cake. Take 24 to 25 Oreo biscuits. Remove the cream between the biscuits. Remove the cream from all the biscuits and keep it separately. Keep this aside for decoration. Break the biscuits into small pieces and add it to a blender and make a crumble. Transfer this into a bowl. Half cup milk slowly. Mix it well. This batter should be medium thick. Totally, I have used 1 cup of milk. No lumps should be remain and batter should be like this. Take 12 bread slices and cut the edges. Take small bowl and pour 1 cup milk. Add 3 tablespoons sugar powder. Mix well. Aside. Now let's make cake. Now place 4 bread slices. Soak it with milk. Now spread some batter. Spread it evenly. Repeat another layer. Repeat the layer. Fry on all sides. Our cake is done and let's decorate it. Now take this biscuit cream. Now we will make it half. Now we'll make flour from it. Our flour is done. I have made some flowers from cream.
You can decorate your cake as per your choice.
Our Oreo bread cake is ready.